Hey guys, uh, this is the talking puppet test. Uh, as you can see, I am a puppet. And, and do you like do you like my hair? It's very colorful, right? It's colored yellow. And what is your favorite color? You don't know? Well, too shy? I know. Most people are always shy. I am right. Yeah, I have my hair is yellow and well, I dyed it. That's what happened. And my eyebrows are yellow too. And my shirt is peach. It's yeah. It also has the, the yeah yeah. It's yellow too. The yellow circle right there that goes around. And if you guys like my hairstyle, um, what do you think? What do you think? What color your hairstyle should be? Just answer that question in the comments if you want your hair the same thing as mine or something else. Anyway, yeah. Well, that's pretty much all else to say. Well, that's the talking puppet test.